Hello everyone, how do you do? I hope this video gets your expectations. Here's a glimpse of what we learned. A multiple is the product of a given whole number and another whole number. For example, 4 by 3 equals 12. So 12 is a multiple of 3 and is a multiple of 4. So 12 is a multiple of 3 and 4 at the same time. A multiple is formed by multiplying a given number by the counting numbers. Counting numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, list the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 are 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, etc. Here we have multiples of 4. Find the missing multiples. Observe, then write the missing multiples. 6, 12, 18. So here we have multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18. Then skip count by 6, we'll get 24. Skip count by 6, we'll get 3. So here we have multiples of 6. Okay, so what about the second one? Observe, then complete the missing multiples. 6, 9, 12. Oh, so here we should write the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Skip count by 3. 15, 18. So here we have multiples of 3 and multiples of 6. 0 is a multiple of all numbers. For example, here we have 0 by 1, we'll get 0. 0 by 2 equals 0. 0 by 3 equals 0. So 0 is a multiple of all numbers. All numbers are multiples of themselves and multiples of 1. Here we have 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. So 2 is a multiple of 1 and 2 at the same time. 3 is a multiple of 3 and 1. 4 is a multiple of 4 and 1. So all numbers are multiples of themselves and multiples of 1. A multiple of 2 and 3 is a multiple of 6. Here we have multiples of 2. List multiples of 3. Get the common multiples of both 2 and 3. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. So here we have the common multiples of both 2 and 3. Then list the multiples of 6. So here we have 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. So a multiple of 2 and 3 is a multiple of 6. Here we have same multiples. So common multiples of 2, 3, and 6 are 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. A multiple of 2 and 5 is a multiple of 10. A multiple of 2 and with even numbers. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And a multiple of 5 and with 0 or 5. For example, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. A multiple of 10 and with 0. 0, 10, 20, 30. So, common multiples of 2, 5, and 10 and with 0. In order to get the smallest common multiple, list all the multiples of 4, 5, and 8. Then write the common multiples. Get the smallest common multiple other than 0. So here we have 24. 24 is the smallest common multiple of 4, 5, and 8. Multiplying a number by 10. The result of multiplying a number by 10 is obtained by adding 0 to the right of this number. Here we have 9 by 10. First step, multiply 9 by 1 equals 9. Then add 0. 7 by 1, 7. Then add 0. A multiple of 10 ends by 0. The result of multiplying a number by 100 is obtained by adding 2 zeros to the right of this number. 9 by 1, 9. Then add 2 zeros because multiple of 100 ends by 2 zeros. 7 times 1 equals 7. Then add 2 zeros. The result of multiplying a number by 1000 is obtained by adding 3 zeros to the right of this number. Example, 9 by 1000. First step, multiply 9 by 1 equals 9, then add 3 zeros. 7 by 1 equals 7, then add 3 zeros because a multiple of 1000 ends by 3 zeros. How many tenses are there in 456? Here we have 456. 6 is less than 10, so 0 tenses. While 50 and 400 are greater than 10, so in 50 there are 5 tenses. In 400 there are 40 tenses. So add 40 plus 5 will get 45 tenses. So there are 45 tenses in 456. How many tenses are there in 4896? There are 489 tenses. While in 654 there are 65 tenses. In 665 there are 66 tenses. 66, 65, 489. In 7189 there are 718 tenses. And now, how many hundreds are there in 4896? 4800. Stop. So here we have 48 hundreds. While here we have only 6 hundreds. Here also we have 600. While in 7189, 7100. Stop. So here we have 71 hundreds. In 6789 there are 678 tenths. 678 tenses. 67 hundredths and 6 thousandths. While in 9529 there are 952 tenses, 95 hundredths and 9 thousandths. Decomposing is obtained when we break the number apart. Here we have 349, 349. Or write a number in expanded form. Let's take another example, 2141. Decompose or write in expanded form. So it's 2000 plus 100 plus 40 plus 1. Here we have the expanded form. Decompose, write in expanded form. Decomposing multiplication into addition and multiplication to calculate easier. For example, 3 multiplies by 36 equals. First step, write 36 in expanded form, which is 30 plus 6. Then multiply 3 by 30 will get 90 plus 3 by 6 will get 18. Then add 90 plus 18. 0 plus 8, 8. 9 plus 1, 10. So here we have 108.